Good day, my wonderful audience. This is Shirozi Online Maths. Now let's solve this. If 2 raised to power 3 is equals to 8, now what is 2 tetration 3? Oh, you hold it. Now it is very simple, you understand? First of all, write your solution, which is solution. Now we all know that 2 raised to power 3 is equals to 2 times 2 times 2 abi, which is 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. Now this one, 2 tetration 3 is equals to 2 raised to power 2 raised to power 2. That's the meaning. 2 raised to power 2 raised to power 2. So first of all, ask yourself, what is 2 raised to power 2? It's not 4. So it will be equal to 2 raised to power 4. And 2 raised to power 4 is equals to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2, 16. My answer is equals to 16. Very simple. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thank you.